This is just a short tutorial to show you how the Guard Dog Pet Door panel works. This is what we call the panel, or the security panel. It is also the lockout panel to keep your pet from going in or going out. All you do is turn this lever lock. You open the door and swing it back so your pet can run in and out. When you want to keep your pet outside or keep your pet inside, or you want security, for example at night, or if it's raining really hard, and when you close this door, it locks it tight. It's a very secure panel. But I want to show you how to use the magnet. When you open this door, the lock comes with a strike and a magnet already applied. All you do is put the magnet in the center, and you peel off the tape on the back because it has a self-adhesive material. When you open the door, all you do is you press that against the main door just for about 3 or 4 seconds. Once you pull it away, the magnet stays. That's the perfect way and easiest way to locate that. Otherwise, you could use a tape measure and determine where you want that. So when you want the pet to have access, you just attach that to the magnet and your pet can go in and out. When you want to close it, you pull it off the magnet, close and lock the door. When you have a door smaller than a 3-foot door, anyway, you will turn the lock to open the security door. If this door was too narrow for this to close against the door, you just lift off the hinge. It's a lift-off hinge design. Your pet has access in and out, and then when you want to lock it again, you just put this back on the hinges, and then it's done.